Ki Doktor ki Tbit ka Apollo Hospitals kinsa Sumar ya ki Nongpang ha Apollo Trinity Medical Center kabadan Hajan Guralin Lower Nongrim Hills Shillong. U Dr. Kiran Kamalasana MS MCH DRNB Surgical Oncology na Apollo Excel Care Guwahati unsawan ha ka khatwei trik unai lur acha pusan nadu kapor khatwei bijimin stem hadu kapor shi biji no phaisngi ban Sumar yeki badan ya jingpang bampong ni cancer hakitor ha ka khli barendang ha ki sneer ha ka bun ha ki benta jo ka jinglong kanthei ha ki benta ka jinglong shinrang balit pinje bat ha ki shi bat ha ki man. U Dr. Prashant Kumar Rai MD DM Gastroenterology unsawan ha ka khat artri unai lur acha pusan nadu kapor khatwi biji min step hadu kapor shi biji no phaisi pan Sumar ki badan jingpang dap the air ka jingshitam ha ki benta ka kapo ka jingshitam hau do nun na ka kian ka jingsop klen hau do nun ki badan mau hau ksang ki badan jingthun ni jingta na ni ka infection hau do nun ka jingmong ban mi snam ha ki benta jong ki sneer ka Dr. Kasturi Hazarika MD DM Rheumatology kan wan ha ka khat artrik unai lur acha pusan nadu kapor kharwi biji min stem hadu kapor shi biji no phaisngi ban Sumar yaki bapang hagi shi ing kiman hagi shi ing butlum ka jing at so klyang hakiman ki bas ngau terha saudo abat at bamong hakiman ki bapang man bat baro ki jingpang haki benta jung kiman ki shi ing barkasni do dada pikwa ban bu appointment phila ban phone ani shi WhatsApp how new number kandai saw prasan like and die, nyau ar, nyau lai. But pila aru book online appointment, haga website www.apollotrinityshalong.com. Nakabenta ka home collection, pila aru telephone, how new number, kandai saw, prasan, like and die, nyau ar, nyau lai.
Hello, I'm Dr. Tbit from Apollo Fertility Center. And I'm very happy and excited that I'm coming to your city, Shillong, on 12th of September at Apollo Trinity Center. So we'll be there from 12 to 2 o'clock. So any couple who are finding it difficult to conceive or there have been IVF failure in other centers, they can come to us and they can seek advice. And also those couples who do not want to start their pregnancy now, they want to freeze their eggs, they can also come to our center and they can have proper advice so that we can guide you. So we are there and we are very happy to meet you all on 12th of September. Please do come and seek necessary advice regarding your fertility. Thank you very much.